Are you like a lot of people out there looking for a home in West Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, and having trouble finding a home that will fit your full family? Well, you're going to want to check out this video while I'm in Rosenthal here today, and I'm featuring this stunning open to above 5-bedroom home. It features a bedroom on the main floor as well as a 3-piece bathroom, spice kitchen, stunning finishings. It is backing onto green space, a huge pie-shaped lot right across the street from a future school, and has even 3 full bathrooms upstairs. So that's 4 bathrooms in total. It even has a side entrance for a suite. So take this tour with me, Karen Stanko with RE/MAX, while I show you this beautiful 2,400 plus square foot home, brand new, waiting for you today. Karen Stanko with RE/MAX, come take a look. Move on up in the world with this stunning home in Rosenthal, a latest creation by Raj Build Homes, a custom home builder. This home is bright and airy and features all the amenities and features that you're going to want in a growing family or a multi-generational home. It is large, spacious, airy, has a spice kitchen as well as an open to above concept. So it's bright and airy and has tons of windows and bright spaces to enjoy for every family member. It has a custom fireplace area and a gourmet kitchen with plenty of cabinet space and quartz countertops and upgraded stainless steel appliances. Separate dining space that overlooks your large backyard that is across the street from a future school and park. This home also has a full bedroom on the main floor. You can use that as a playroom, a den, or if you have anybody that cannot do stairs very well, this is the perfect place for them as it's a main floor bedroom. There is also a 3-piece bathroom on this main floor. Moving on upstairs, you will be surprised by all the natural light. There's LED lights guiding you up the stairs, glass railings, and stunning light fixtures throughout. A huge bonus room overlooks your big backyard. And on this floor, there are 3 additional bathrooms. This floor has also 4 bedrooms up, so that makes it 5 bedrooms in total. And there is a side entrance for a future suite or whatever you want to do with your fully finished basement when you decide to do that. One of the children's bedrooms or guest bedrooms has a 4-piece ensuite on it. And as you move upstairs, you'll find the conveniently located large laundry space and a huge primary bedroom, bright and airy, has a walk-in closet which has custom cabinetry, full 5-piece ensuite in this primary bathroom, including a full shower. Move on up into Rosenthal, a centrally located West End community close to the Anthony Henday. Look no further but in this home located at 22232 82nd Avenue. Located near lots of walking trails and future parks. Come enjoy this now. Karen Stanko with RE/MAX. The wait is over.